Welcome back to another episode from the Instructables website. Today, we're building something that came from the black abyss that is a 3-year-old's creative spirit. It's cardboard art. This project, we need cardboard, string, more cardboard, hot glue, cardboard, string, scissors, or something to cut with. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, cardboard. Let's begin. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and take your cardboard and cut it into weird, wacky shapes. The weirder it is, the better, because we're gonna be painting them a bunch of different colors and gluing them all around to make it look wild and wacky. Remember, the weirder your shapes are, the better. This is modern art after all. Once all your pieces are cut out, we're going to take and paint everything a different color. Doesn't matter what colors you choose, it's modern art. It's gonna look terrible. I use spray paint for this. You could use acrylic paint if you had the patience, but spray paint is so much easier. Now this is where the fun begins. Once all of your shapes have been painted, we're going to take and throw it in the trash. Glue it all together. Take a larger piece of cardboard and your hot glue gun and start gluing all the pieces to it, making sure that the entire thing is covered so that it looks as terrible as possible. Glue the string to the back, and when you're done, you have a perfect specimen of trash. Now the only thing left to do is to hang it. I wonder where I'm going to put it. Oh, I know.
It doesn't look terrible.
Thanks for watching. I think we made a wonderful masterpiece of modern art. Let's put it in a special place so it doesn't get destroyed. Thanks so much for watching another episode from the Instructables website. If you haven't already, go down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get a notification every time I release an episode. And as always, stay fancy. Oh, you're still with me? Well, click here to see a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch. Click here to subscribe.